So I just woke up like maybe 50 minutes ago, so almost an hour ago. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd. It's currently 7:20. So I'm bringing you guys along today because today we're gonna be going to a lake to go swimming. The lake is like 2 hours away, so that's why I'm up so early. I'm gonna start getting ready now so that when my sisters wake up, we're not all in the bathroom at once. So I'm just gonna go do whatever I gotta do in the bathroom. So yeah. Guys, so I just finished in the bathroom. I'm gonna go and figure out which bathing suit I'm gonna wear, but I'll show you guys the clothes I'm gonna be wearing. Okay, so first I'm wearing these shorts. These are actually brand new. I just thrifted these shorts. So I'm gonna wear these shorts. Then I got this recently from Shein, this shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna go find a bathing suit and then I'll be back to you guys when I have my outfit on. Guys, I'm in my outfit. Here it is. Pretty cute. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then the next time I see you guys, I'll probably be downstairs, so yeah.
It's not the type of thing that you would buy when
Oh, that's the last one. Look, it's the boys. A giant.